Hi, I wanted to walk you through the sales log and how to add sales to Stokroom. So first you can see on this page total sales, total revenue, total profit, and the average ROI. And similar to inventory, you can search through your sales by typing in Nike or Adidas or what you're looking for. And you can also sort them by product name, sale, date, ROI. And you can also sort them by the platform of which you sold them on, so eBay, Vinted, Depop, etc. So it's pretty straightforward. So now, there are three main ways that you can add sales to Stokroom. So the first two are pressing the same button up here, which is the add sale, and you can choose an inventory sale. So this will give you an option of everything that's in inventory and you can search for it or just find it. So we'll choose Pokemon. And then you select the platform which you sold it on, and it pulls through the title already and any SKU if there is one. You choose the date you sold it, how many you sold, and what the sale price is. If there are any platform fees, which will say there was £4.50 here, and the cost price is already put through. Now, this is where we add the type of sale for tax purposes. Resale items, anything bought to resell, is something that will be included in your tax estimate, as this is really important to take that into consideration. Personal items, on the other hand, something you had lying around the house, will not be included in the tax estimate, and therefore anything you sold that was maybe secondhand, you don't need to include that. Add any notes and then hit save. The other way is to do a quick sale. So this is where it's not taken from inventory, it is just added as a sale to your dashboard. So you have to input all the information yourself. So the platform you sold it on, what the item was, will say socks, date you sold it, how many you sold, we'll say 5, this cost sale price, which was 5, and we'll say that we bought them for £1 each. And then just in the same way, we have to choose whether it is a resale or a personal item. We can see the projected profit and ROI, and we hit add sale, and we can see that appear right down below. The other way you can do it is the same as inventory. You can do a bulk upload. There's something slightly different with the sales log, however, because when you do a bulk upload, because we can't match it to an inventory item as easy, it's easier to just do these all as quick sales rather than inventory sales. So if you want to add any items to your sales list that wasn't in inventory, this is the way to do it. So if you want to add any items through a bulk upload to sales, you should do this without adding them to inventory first, as that makes it a lot easier to reconcile. You just tick that you understand that your inventory will not be affected. You choose the file and you bulk upload, and it's easy as that. If you have any questions, feel free to raise a ticket and we can give you some extra guidance.